Anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo nimoritie thirikari gutigirira kuri na waragania hindi ya woyani wa arutwo a kirathi gia form 1.
Makorwo me very fair, marole merit na affirmative action eroro hanini muno tondu ngirora mwena-ini wa Kiambu gutire cukuru ati she very disadvantaged tondu kinya mwena wa Ndeiya riu ni gwakurire.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ene thukuru cia andu kiumbe kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Samuel Kinuthia, kuri na mieke ya kuigana arutwo othe thiini wa thukuru cia gukoma na cia kuinuka bururi-ini.
Muciari ni agire kurekwo athure mwana wake kuria kwenda thome, angikorwo kwenda thome private ne kwenda thome private school ya boarding, ni agire kurekwo agie na choice hiyo tondu rimwe matirehaga ciana boarding ni undu wa kwenda, rimwe ciana ciukaga boarding ni undu wa mathina maria me mucii.
Kinuthia araragia hindi ya gukunguira maumirira mega ma arutwo othe thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Precious Cornerstone Academy mwena wa Ruiru.
Discipline imekuwa hali ya juu na walimu pia wamelenga mambo mazuri kulingana masomo ambao wamehitimu kupitia hayo yote, na tunatarajia kuendelea mbele
Alliance Boys High School and to continue working hard so that in future I may be a software engineer.
I have scored for 12 marks in KCPE. I would like first and foremost to thank God. He has taken me this far. He has granted me a very a success I will never have imagined.
Koge na kuo thukuru-ini wa KCPE Dandora Jitegeme arutwo arutani na aciari no marakungwira maumirira maya. Arugamiriri a thukuru uyu makienda uteithio wa thirikari gutigirira murutwo wao wa mbere uri urari na marks 396 ni gutwarithia na mbere mathomo make thutha wa gukorwo agumirwo ni thina munene.
When I came here, I had a lot of challenges because my mother did not have any school fees to pay for me. No, it is the school which was supporting me, and I want to thank them.
Riu kihagi yakwa ni ati mwana uyu ni endete guthoma na ni arenda guthie na mbere na mathomo, no nie ndire na hinya wa kumutwarithia na mbere.
Na tondũ scholarship ciri kuo thĩinĩ wa county government, thĩinĩ wa national government, ona nĩ kũrĩ na scholarship ya presidential level. Ningihoya ati ciana ciumite kuota gukundandura matuike considered ni tura scholarship ta icio.
Thukuru-ini wa KCPE Mweki Education Center gikeno no tagiki magikungwira maumirira ma arutwo kuria arutwo 8 marandikithitie marks 400 guthie na iguru.
Wanafunzi wamejaribu sana, wamepata marks mzuri 400 kwenda juu. Tulikuwa na watoto na hata mini score yetu ni mzuri.
Arutani ni magathiriirie maumirira ma mwaka uyu makiuga maumanite na unyitaniri wa arutwo, arutani na aciari thengia ya moritũ maria makoretwo kuo.
Tumekuwa na cooperation mzuri sana na management ya kanisa na management ya shule. Tunataka kushukuru Mungu kwa haya yote.
I thank God, my parents and teachers for the great help they've given me. I managed to get 402 marks. First of all, we could thank God because I know that yes, singepata hizo marks.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, Jutagogina wa Wadurwa.